If you're a beginner looking to paddle board, you might be feeling overwhelmed by all the options out there. Here are the 5 best inflatable paddle boards I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1: Nifian Inflatable Paddle Board. The Nifian Inflatable Stand-Up Paddle Board caught my eye with its refreshing mint timber design, and at $179.99, it's priced competitively for beginners. If you want a reliable board that combines stability with a generous weight capacity, this is worth a serious look. The anti-slip EVA deck provides great comfort and grip, so you can paddle confidently. Plus, it comes with a complete set of accessories, including an adjustable paddle, 3 detachable fins, and a safety leash, all essential for getting started without extra costs. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The extensive accessory kit means you can hit the water right away and enjoy peace of mind with its sturdy build. Now, some people complained about the weight of the board, which is 19 pounds. Here's the thing though, for a board this stable and durable, a little extra weight might not be a deal breaker, especially if you're looking for something that feels secure on the water. This is perfect for you if you want a high-capacity board that's ready to go right out of the box. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra-lightweight for easy carrying. At this price point, you're getting a lot of value for your money. Now, if the Nifian's weight was a concern for you, this next one takes a different approach with a lighter design. Product number 2: Rock Inflatable Paddle Board. Next up is the Rock Inflatable Stand-Up Paddle Board, also priced at $179.99. This one grabbed my attention because it's made from high-grade materials that are claimed to be 50% stronger than competitors. If you want a board that's built to last and offers a wider design, this could be a great choice. The Rock board supports up to 350 pounds and features an extra-wide design that gives you more stability, perfect for beginners still finding their balance. It comes with premium accessories too, ensuring you have everything you need to start paddling right away. Here's why this matters for you. The extra stability allows you to focus on enjoying your time on the water without worrying about tipping over. However, some users mention that the board can feel a bit bulky when inflated. But here's the thing, if you're a beginner, that bulkiness actually helps in keeping the board stable, making it easier to paddle without the fear of falling. This is perfect for you if you want a solid, sturdy board that won't tip easily. Skip this one if you're looking for something more sleek or compact, as it's not the lightest option out there. Given its durability, you're getting solid bang for your buck here. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those wanting a budget-friendly choice. Product number 3: XHYCPY Inflatable Paddle Board. Now let's talk about the XHYCPY Inflatable Paddle Board, priced at just $129.99. This caught my eye because it's budget-friendly yet still comes packed with features. If you're looking for an affordable option without sacrificing quality, this is definitely worth considering. It inflates quickly in about 5 minutes, which is a big plus for beginners looking to get on the water fast. Here's why this matters for you. You can spend less time setting up and more time enjoying the paddle experience. However, some users have reported that the included pump could be a bit better. I'll be real with you, while it's not the fastest pump, it gets the job done. And for the price, you're still getting a solid paddle board that's easy to use. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget but still want a reliable paddle board. Skip this one if you prefer a premium feel with additional accessories, as it may lack some extras. But at this price, it's an excellent choice for new paddlers. Next up, we have a unique option that combines paddleboarding with kayaking, perfect for those looking for versatility. Product number 4: HUIKE Inflatable Paddle Board. Next is the HUIKE Inflatable Paddle Board, costing $144.49. This one stands out because it offers a 2-in-1 design, letting you paddleboard and kayak seamlessly. If you want flexibility in your water sports, this is definitely a board to check out. It's 10 long and can hold up to 286 pounds. What's great about this is that you can easily switch between paddleboarding and kayaking without needing to buy a separate kayak. Here's why this matters. It gives you more options for your outdoor adventures, making it a great investment if you love trying different activities. That said, some folks found the weight limit a bit low compared to other boards. But honestly, if you're under that weight, there's no compromise on stability or performance, and you get that added kayak feature. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile board that can adapt to your activities. Skip this one if you plan to paddle with multiple people often, as it's more suited for solo paddlers. For the price and features, it's a solid pick. Now, if you liked the idea of versatility, the last product might just blow you away with its added durability. Product number 5, HUIKE Blue Inflatable Paddle Board. Lastly, we have another HUIKE inflatable paddle board, this time in blue, priced at $169.99. Like its sibling, this board also offers a 2-in-1 paddleboard and kayak experience, which is fantastic for those looking to mix things up on the water. If you want a board that not only performs well but also looks great, this is worth your attention. This board shares the same durable military-grade PVC material and excellent stability features as the previous HUIKE model, accommodating up to 286 pounds. With its bright blue design, you'll not only stand out on the water, but you'll also enjoy the same level of functionality and ease of use. Here's why this matters. You can paddle confidently knowing you have a well-built board that looks as good as it performs. However, some users feel it's a bit heavier than they'd like. I get it. If you're looking for something lightweight for easy transport, this might be a concern. But it's constructed for durability, so that added weight comes with the benefit of stability. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish, durable board that can do double duty. Skip this one if you're seeking a super lightweight option, as it may not meet that need. But for the quality, the price is quite reasonable. In comparing all 5 products, the Nifian and Rock are solid choices for beginners, while the XHYCPY offers great budget value. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Nifian because of its stability and extensive accessory package for first-time paddleboarders. Avoid the HUIKE Blue model if you're looking for something lighter, as its weight may be cumbersome for some. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.